Hey guys, welcome back to another Pulse hosting tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to install Redis on a virtual machine, VPS, or dedicated server that are all running Ubuntu. There will be a Windows tutorial coming out soon if you want to install Redis on a Windows. First step is navigate over to the 9 dots in the bottom left hand corner. Click on it and open up Terminal by searching it in the search bar. Click on it and it will open. Okay, once it is open, we're going to need to go to root so we can run administrator commands. You can do this by typing in sudo -i. Type in your password for the virtual machine. Now we're in root. You can skip this step if you have already set up root on your VPS or dedicated server, but if you're installing on a virtual machine or a Linux computer, there's no need. Or you have to do this. Okay. Next step is we type in nano /etc /apt sources.list and then scroll all the way down once you're on this screen. Click enter and then type in deb http //packages.dotdeb.org squeeze all. As you see, I've already done that right here. And then you're going to need to type in deb-source So once you're on the screen, you're going to need to scroll up. So once you're on the screen, you're going to need to scroll all the way down. Click enter once. And then type in exactly what I typed in. Deb http //packages.dotdeb.org space squeeze all. Next step is type in deb.src, which stands for source, space http //packages.dotdeb.org space squeeze all. Next step is you can type in Control X. Do you want to save the modified buffer? Type in Y and then enter. Okay, so the next step is we have to add the Redis server key. So we can do that by typing in wget space http www.dotdeb.org /dotdeb.gpg. Click enter. Okay, once that is done, the next step is we type in cat.deb.jpg sudo apt-key add-. Okay, so since that step is done, we have to type in sudo apt add-apt-repository ppa chris-lea redis-server. Click enter because you want to continue, and that will work. Okay, so once it has completed the process, you want to type in sudo apt-get update. This will update the current changes that you have made to the machine. Okay, so once that is done, we have to install the Redis server. So apt-get install Redis-Server. Okay. Redis-Server is already the newest version. Okay. Next step is type in wget http://download.redis-stable.tar.gz, and that will work. Make sure it didn't give any errors. Okay. Next step is we have to tar that by typing tar xcf redis-stable.tar.gz, and that is completed. And then cd, we have to enter the Redis stable. So we can do that by typing cd redis-stable. Now we are typing administration commands in root at pulsehostinglinux2 /redis-stable #. Type in make, type in apt, then get install tcl 8.5. Click yes, you want to continue. Make test, make install, apt, make, apt install make. Okay, I already have all this done, so there's no need for me to do that. Okay, next step is cd utils. Type in cd utils so you can leave the Redis stable commands and go into the utils. Okay. Now we have to install the script. So type that by /install_server.sh. Just click enter, 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 enter. Installation successful. Okay, now the whole process is done. Now we have to type in service redis _ and then type the port in, which is 6379 start. Okay, and then now we type in service redis _ port, which is 6379 stop. Okay, and that is completed. Now we type in redis/cli and type in ping. You can tell if the virtual machine has Redis installed if when you type in ping, it returns pong. And that has concluded this tutorial. Next step is type in sudo update -rc.d redis _ port, which is 6379 defaults. Okay, and that has concluded the tutorial for today. You can check out our other videos by subscribing to our channel and going to our uploads directory on our channel. This has been Ian from Pulse Hosting, and I'm out.